Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tessa. Come in. Come in. So today we're doing an apartment tour. This is the main door and you walk into my kitchen.
These are some of the bottles my husband has had, and I just kept them for decor because I didn't have anything to put in those shelves.
Yeah, and then if you have watched my how I clean my pantry video, I have been trying to be a good girl and keep this thing organized. So do check that video out. And yeah, this is the kitchen. And then we go into the living room. My pride and joy. I used to have photos over there, but then the hooks keep falling off and I don't want to do those. So if you know something that can help me hang artwork on this section, please help. There's not much to see. This is from Take a Lot. We ordered it and it comes in pieces and then you have to assemble it on your own, which I did on my own. Yeah, and then come right over here. This is the bathroom. Nothing much to say about the bathroom. Normal bathroom. Our apartment is a 2-bed, 1 bathroom. Yeah, I love this shower. And then this is my bedroom. Yeah, this is my bedroom. I try to keep it tidy, but you know, my husband has a lot of stuff, so sometimes I just have to try and organize his stuff. This is where he works when he's at home. Yeah, and that's it. Please do subscribe to our channel. Please and thank you. Yeah, so that's about it. This is my Mosiah's room. We're gonna respect his privacy. We're not gonna go into his room. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. It's a very short one, but okay, yeah, that's how we're rolling. So come on, let me show you out. Have a nice day. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you. Bye. Do like the video, hey?